Namaste everyone, my name is Devi Pratiksha and today we are going to be doing Shallopasana. Now Shallopasana has a lot of benefits. It reduces hip fat, thigh fat, and it also reduces back pain. It strengthens our back and back position, and it also strengthens our legs. So let's start. For Shallopasana, first you need to lie down on your abdomen and rest your chin on the floor like this. Then you need to make fists of your hand and place them beside you like this. Then slowly lift up your legs, and your legs have to be together during the process. Relax. Now, let's do this one more time. Inhale, hold your breath and lift up your legs. Exhale. Inhale, hold your breath. Exhale. Don't bend your knees. Let's do this one more time. Relax. Then make pillow of your arms and then relax. You can practice this asana 3 to 5 times a day. Bye. See you next time. Namaste.